Jake Smith here, guys. Just got my new Gretsch Electromatic. It's a G534, something like that, and it's beautiful. I think this is a licensed Bigsby tremolo. Obviously you're not going to go dive bombing with it, but you know, it's pretty cool. And when you put a little heat on this thing, I've got my couple of pedals here. This is a blues driver I'm playing through. That's been the bridge pickup so far. Here's both. A little bit of heat. Let me take the heat off. And the neck pickup. It's really cool. It's a cool guitar. If you could just see this finish, I mean, it's really beautiful. They did a really nice job on that. You know, it's a basswood body, and it's got the Clusen type tuners on it. Got a variety of different distortion devices that I like to put on this thing. So let's see. This thing sounds great. The Marshall sounds good. I've got my Marshall DSL15C here, and it's cool. I've got in the clean channel running distortion with it, and it's pretty cool. So let's see here. Maybe I can use this in the context of like some pre-recorded online music, and see what we get. Okay, Jake Smith here. We're going to check out a few licks live with the Gretsch here. We'll see what comes up. Hopefully it'll be cool. Not sure. Let's see. it is cool. And God, I don't know. Guitars are guitars, guys. Whatever guitar you play,